Good morning from the newsroom. I am Anika, bringing you the top headlines shaping the global travel, aviation, and hospitality landscapes today. Let's take a look at the major headlines of the day. The government launches the mega Viksit Udan scheme and unveils Jodhpur's stunning new airport terminal. Visakhapatnam is officially announced as the host city for the landmark 41st annual convention. Suba Hotels expands its executive leadership, and Norwegian Cruise Line names luxury veteran Lee Applebaum as its new global chief marketing officer. And a massive earthquake in Venezuela brings a severe humanitarian crisis, grinding regional tourism and aviation to a halt. We now bring you the news in detail. Our lead story takes us to civil aviation. The government has officially launched Viksit Udan, a massive next phase regional connectivity scheme. Backed by a financial outlay of more than 28,840 crore rupees, the initiative targets the development of over 100 new aerodromes and 200 helipads. Marking the rollout, a state-of-the-art new terminal building was also inaugurated at Jodhpur Airport, featuring modern passenger amenities. The upgraded facility is set to act as a historic catalyst for economic growth and regional tourism in western Rajasthan. Moving on, it has been officially announced that the 41st annual convention will take place from September 10th to 13th, 2026, in the coastal city of Visakhapatnam. Hosted in the coastal city of Visakhapatnam at the Novotel Varun Beach, the event is centered on India's future tourism opportunities. Nearly 1,000 delegates representing various segments of the industry are expected to participate. Organizers highlighted that curated post-convention familiarization tours will also be arranged to boost the region's domestic and international profile. In hospitality corporate movements, Suba Hotels Limited has appointed industry veteran Kevin Ashley Martis as the new Vice President of Sales and Marketing. With over 2 decades of robust experience across multiple leading hotel companies, Martis will direct sales, marketing, and brand strategies across the group's diverse portfolio, including Click Hotels, GenX, and Choice Hotels brands. His mandate centers on driving strategic revenue growth, enhancing brand visibility, and accelerating the group's pan-India expansion footprint. Global cruise markets are also seeing high-profile executive shifts. Norwegian Cruise Line has named consumer goods and luxury travel specialist Lee Applebaum as its global chief marketing officer. Effective July 6, 2026, Applebaum, who brings 25 years of brand-building experience from leading international luxury and aviation brands, will steer global demand, brand strategy, and guest engagement. The appointment comes as the company pushes forward with a heavy long-term growth strategy, including 7 new ships on order through 2037. Finally, a tragic update from South America. The travel and tourism landscape in Venezuela is facing an unprecedented crisis following devastating twin earthquakes measuring up to 7.5 magnitude. The disaster has claimed nearly 3,000 lives. Regular commercial aviation is restricted as primary gateways prioritize global humanitarian aid flights. Hoteliers and tour operators have suspended normal programs, repurposing coastal properties into emergency shelters, while relief teams continue operations. That's all for now in this news bulletin. Thank you for watching. Keep watching for regular updates from across the globe. This is Anika signing off.
You are watching Travel World Online.